That's right, stay on your side.
What side?
Well, you are the one who suggested splitting everything in two, right? So I'm doing it. Or have you changed your mind?
No. Your idiotic actions only prove me I made the right decision.
Great.
Yeah.
That's right, so you stay on that side, I stay on this side. Crossing the line is forbidden, okay?
Okay.
Oh, and who crosses the line pays fine.
Pays fine.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, why just a fine? Let's say whoever crosses loses all their possessions in the divorce. Deal?
Yes! Great! Ah! You are trying to trick me, right? Nice try. I'm not that stupid.
Sure, you're very clever and smart.
Oh, yeah.
Too bad the front door is on my side. How are you planning to leave the house?
Damn. I'll climb out the window. And the bathroom is luckily on my side. You won't last long.
Oh, that's fine. I'll just go to the neighbors because I can.
Oh, yeah, you can.
So, if this is my side, then your laptop is mine now.
Oh, no. Hey! You crazy? I've got a quarterly report on that. Yeah. Whew.
No.
What I got here.
No. No, please, no. No.
No?
Please, no.
Yes!
You never bought me a single dress in our marriage!
Hey!
And now you have the nerve to destroy something so valuable to me.
That's right.
I'll get it back.
Oh, yeah, come on, let's do it. Ooh, 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 ooh. What you gonna do?
Oh, your boss. Probably something urgent.
What?
Yes, Mr. Matthews. Come in? Oh no, I can come in. Why? Because your breath stings like a dead raccoon.
Mr. Are you crazy? Why did you do that? He's definitely going to fire me right now, you idiot!
Takes one to know one.
Oh, you! Oh, yeah. Hook him up.
If that were your bad ideas, no one would yell.
Oh, really?
He's probably hungry. Where is the bottle?
I have no clue.
Looks like he's not hungry. Crossing the line was for nothing.
Because he wants to be rocked. I've always been better at that. May I? What's up?
You crossed the line.
Yeah. For our baby, just like you did. We might have gone too far, right? I mean, yeah, we might have a lot of differences, but there's something we have that can't be divided. And that's the most beautiful thing. Yeah. 5.
Feel nauseous? Dizzy? I did it first, but thanks to Mary, I feel much better now.
Well, it's not look dangerous. Judging by the pupils, it's not even confusion.
But he doesn't even remember his name.
Well, that is what's so alarming. Everything looks fine outside, but what's inside, we don't know. Well, we need to do an MRI